What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the diaphragm and gasket on your carburetor so it'll fix your mower from surging or won't starting. So don't get rid of your mower just yet. Alright guys, if you're new to this channel, do me a favor and click the subscribe and the bell. I do a lot of these household and DIY automotive projects. Alright, let's get to it. So it's best to run your mower out of gas or to siphon it out so we don't have to deal with all that smelly gas. But I'll go ahead and put a little in to show you guys what it sounds like. How it was stuttering and vibrating, the engine can barely stay alive. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is come over to our air cleaner on top, and that's just a flathead screw. We'll just unscrew that and take the air filter off, get that out of the way. There we go. Alright, now there's a 1/2 inch bolt back here. We'll just go ahead and loosen that up with our ratchet. Take that one all the way out. There we go. Then over on the right side of the gas tank there is another bolt right here. This one was 7/16 for me. We'll just unscrew this one all the way too. There we go. And we should be able to pull the whole thing off. Only thing holding it on should be the linkage now. Move this throttle cable out of the way. And the linkage right here just comes off if we twist it off. Now let's give this a little cleaning because it's filthy. Alright, now there's these 5 Phillip head screws that hold the carburetor assembly on there. We'll go ahead and unscrew all these. Take all these out. Now once you've got all those backed off, we can remove the whole carburetor assembly. Now here stuck to the bottom is the diaphragm and gasket. We'll just go ahead and peel these off. Then go ahead and give yourself a chance to clean the carburetor assembly, and we'll clean this mating surface right there. Also a good time to clean out your gas tank. Just dump it out and pour in a little gas and swish it around and dump it out so you can get all the debris and stuff out. Now we'll get our new gasket and diaphragm. It's Briggs Stratton, part number 795083. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to this set. So this thinner one is the diaphragm. We will line that one up, put that one down first. Then the thicker gasket goes on top of that. Line that up. Then we'll take our carburetor assembly and gently put that back in. Alright, then we can put in those 5 Phillips head screws. Just slightly tighten them down the first go around, and then we'll go back around and snug them down in a pattern across from each other so it's nice and even. Don't over tighten these. Alright, now let's put the whole thing back in. You kind of got to put the linkage in while you're maneuvering this in. So it hooks like that over that, and then this part, end of the linkage goes in. Then we can slip the whole thing in with our elbow right here on. Alright, so here's another view so you can see the linkage better. It just goes like that. Then we'll just bolt this one right here in, and then the one right here on the side. Alright, good. And we can put our air cleaner back on top. Screw that down. And we'll put a little gas in it. Give it a couple primes. Now let's see how this baby sounds. Give it some throttle. Alright, cool guys, and that's how to fix your mower. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new, subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself.